Hello viewers, welcome back to Godfrey Mumbi Academy. So uh today I want to focus on an important part, which is ECZ exam format. Okay, so now actually this one, it is a series, so I just urge you to follow me closely from this time that I'm going to begin up to the end. Okay, so I'm going to explain the way the ECZ formats their exam questions, the way they bring and prepare their questions. Okay, because this is very important. If you fail to understand the way the questions are prepared, the way they bring questions, you can't answer them. How can you pass? So this is very important for you to pass the exams. So as in for today, I will start with mathematics. Okay, so mathematics in the first place has two question papers. There is mathematics paper 1 and there is mathematics paper 2. Okay, so we have paper 1 and paper 2. So now the first thing, let us focus on paper 1. Let's look at mathematics paper 1. So okay, mathematics paper 1, this paper, let me start with duration. Okay, duration. So mathematics paper 1 has 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay, actually let me write it in this way. This is mathematics paper 1. It has 2 hours. So you have to know that when you are writing mathematics paper 1, the time that you write the entire paper, it is within 2 hours. Okay, what about the marks? The marks. So mathematics paper 1 has 80 marks. 8 marks in total. Meaning you have to write and answer these 80 marks within 2 hours. All right. So this is mathematics paper 1. What about the questions? The number of questions. Okay. So questions. Mathematics paper 1 has 25 questions. 25 questions. Okay. So these 25 questions, all of them, they are compulsory. So these questions, they are compulsory. Whether you like it or not, you have to answer them. There is no any optional question in mathematics paper 1. You have to answer the 25 questions on your own within 2 hours, which carry 80 marks. So you have to know that with mathematics paper 1, there is no any optional question. So there is nothing like, oh, I don't like this question, this question. No. You have to ensure that you know each question and you should answer them. All right, let us look at mathematics paper 2. So now this is mathematics paper 1. What about mathematics paper 2? So the duration for mathematics paper 2, it is 2 hours. So it is 2 hours 30 minutes. That is mathematics paper 2. Okay. So mathematics paper 2 has 2 hours 30 minutes. Actually, let me write it in this way. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, this is mathematics paper 2, meaning there are only 30 minutes more to mathematics paper 2 than mathematics paper 1. Okay, then what about the marks? So mathematics paper 2 has 100 marks. 100 marks in total. It has 100 marks. Then the questions, there are 12 questions in mathematics paper 2. So now among these 12 questions, 6 are compulsory, 6 questions are optional. Okay, so we have 6 compulsory and 6 optional questions. Okay, so this is mathematics paper 2. There are 6 compulsory questions. So from question 1 up to question 6, you have to answer them, whether you like it or not, whether you know them or you don't know how to answer them. You just have to answer because it is a must. They are compulsory questions. Then starting from question 6 up to the last question 12, actually starting from question 7 up to question 12, the last 6 questions, they are optional. So now among these optional questions, actually this is now section B. Among these optional questions, starting from question 6, which is section B, starting from question 7, which is section B, up to question 12, there are 6 questions, 6 optional questions. So now these 6 questions, you have to answer 4 of them, meaning you have to choose 4 of them between, actually from the 6 questions, you just have to answer only 4 questions. So now these questions, they come each and every year. Questions such as trigonometry, you have to know those questions. Questions such as linear programming, cubic functions, statistics, those questions, they do come. Earth geometry, those questions, they do what? They do come. Such questions, you have to know them, because are the questions which come on section what? On section B. And the last question is transformation. All right. So from these 6 questions, you have to choose only 4 of them. Okay. And section A, from question 1 up to question 6, these questions, which are compulsory, they carry about 52 marks. Then the last 6 questions, they carry about 48 marks, meaning you have to answer them. This paper, it is the one which will make you to pass, because it has more marks than paper 1. Actually, this question, they allow to use the calculator, but in paper 1, you don't have to use a calculator. You should use your head, meaning you need to know mathematics. You need to be practicing. Okay, meaning if you want to pass mathematics, you should ensure that in paper 1, since there is no calculate, you focus on the clarity. You ensure that your questions are clear, the way you're answering them. Ensure that you go straight to the point, answering them, hammering them one by one without leaving any, because all questions are what? They are compulsory. When you come to paper 2, ensure that you answer the first 6, all of them, because they are compulsory. Then the last 6, choose 4, or the ones you are conversant with, choose them and answer them.